Which cybersecurity certification should I get first? Cybercrimes and types of cyberattacks are growing at a rapid pace each day. Moreover, no industry is safe against cybercrime. Even highly recognized industries fall prey to hackers and cyber threats.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
In addition, having a poor security system will lead to the loss of confidential data. Furthermore, these results in irreparable damage to the industry involved. Firstly, cybersecurity professionals are responsible for protecting the confidential data of the organization. Secondly, this is one of the most popular careers which offer better opportunities as well as higher income. In addition, it plays an important job role in the industry. Professionals or freshers with cybersecurity certification stands are highly preferred in various segments of industries. Guaranteeing the safety and protection of the confidential information of the industry will allow its smooth operation. Thus, the need for cybersecurity professionals with cybersecurity certification across industries is increasing. Cybersecurity certifications list 2024. Individuals pursuing a career in cybersecurity can boost their career prospects with the help of cybersecurity certifications. Firstly, there are a variety of cybersecurity certifications available to choose from. Secondly, achieving cybersecurity certification can help you to learn additional skills and knowledge required in the field. Thirdly, and most importantly, these certifications will allow you to keep yourself updated on the new technologies in the field. Here is the list of cybersecurity certifications you can choose first. 1. Network Plus Certification. This is a beginner level of cybersecurity certification. In addition, you can strengthen your basic knowledge with the help of this certification course. Therefore, this certification validates your skills and knowledge. It includes validation in networking, troubleshooting, and managing the wireless and wired networks. You can develop your career in the IT sector with this certification. You will accumulate an in-depth understanding of modern technologies such as cloud and visualization. The job opportunities that you can get with this certification are as follows: IT consultant, network field engineer, computer technician, help desk technician. Prerequisites: you must acquire a minimum of 9 to 12 months of experience in networking. Income: the annual income of Network Plus certified professionals is between $59,804 to $70,538. Exam: firstly, you are tested based on your skills and knowledge in networking concepts. For instance, in skills like troubleshooting, configuring, operating, and managing wired and wireless networks. Secondly, it contains a total of 90 questions, and it lasts for 90 minutes. Thirdly, and most importantly, it has multiple choice-based and practical skills-based questions. The entire exam has a maximum score of 1000. So, you must score 750 or above to clear the exam successfully. Network Plus advantages: add value to your resume and help you stand out from other ordinary candidates. It improves your career development and offers higher income. Provides you with a competitive advantage. It allows you to learn additional skills and knowledge in the field. 2. CEH Certified Ethical Hacker Certification. You can improve your career level with CEH certification and gain various advantages. EC Council offers this certification. As an ethical hacker, you are required to think like an actual hacker. Therefore, it interprets the next step of the hacker to successfully protect your company against hackers. You must identify the vulnerabilities in a system using the same equipment as a hacker but legally. Job opportunities that you might receive with this certification are: Network Security Specialist. Penetration tester, security consultant, ethical hacker. Prerequisites. The requirements which you must accomplish to qualify for this certification are as follows. Have 2 years of work experience in information technology. Achieving Security Plus certification first might be more advantageous. Income. The average salary of CEH certified professionals ranges from $88,000 to $92,000. Exam. Firstly, you must answer a total of 125 questions in the exam. The type of questions present is multiple choice based questions. Secondly, you will be given a total of 4 hours to finish answering those questions. There are no passing scores set for this examination. Thirdly, and most importantly, it is completely based on your practical skills. You do not require many academic skills for this examination. CH advantages. The advantages include: gain a better understanding of the vulnerabilities and weaknesses present in a system. Improve your career level with the help of CEH certification. Learn how to think like a real hacker. Boosts up your income and job opportunities. 3. Security Plus certification. You must consider obtaining this CompTIA Security Plus certification among the lists of cybersecurity certifications first to develop your cybersecurity career level. Furthermore, it verifies your foundational level skills required to implement security functions. In addition, this is the most crucial beginner-level cybersecurity certification. In other words, you will be able to gain a basic understanding of vulnerabilities, cryptography, and risk management. Achieving the Security Plus cybersecurity certification will allow you to gain various job opportunities that are listed below. Security Engineer, Cybersecurity Analyst, Security Consultant. Prerequisites. I should have 2 years of experience in IT. Income. Security Plus certified professionals have an average salary of $58,821 to $82,425. Exam. Firstly, you will learn about new network attack methods and defenses. Secondly, you will be tested on your skills to protect the networks, apps, and devices. They are also in charge of measuring the risks or errors present in a system or network. You have to answer 90 questions within 90 minutes. Thirdly, and most importantly, the marks required to pass the exam are around 750 out of 1000. This certification level of cybersecurity certification can be taken in various languages such as Japanese, English, and simplified Chinese. Security Plus advantages. Offers numerous job opportunities. Provides better income. Chance to develop skills. 4. CISUP Certified Information Systems Security Professional Certification. You can select this online CISUP certification to develop your career to the next level. This option of cybersecurity certification will allow you to verify your skills in designing, performing, and managing the security software. Furthermore, you will obtain the skills needed to protect your company successfully against hackers and cybercrimes. ISC2 offers this certification to candidates all over the world. In conclusion, you will have to understand each of the domains of CBOK completely. Obtaining this certification will offer you various job opportunities such as Security Systems Administrator, IT Security Engineer, Senior IT Security Consultant, Chief Information Security Officer. Prerequisites. You must meet the requirements of the exam to apply for the certificate. Firstly, you must achieve work experience of 5 years into domains out of 8 domains of the CBOK guide. Secondly, 1 year of this experience can be exchanged with a 4-year college degree. Income. It is the highest paying certification for IT experts. For instance, the annual income of certified CISUP certification is around $116,573. Exam. Firstly, you will be given a total of 250 questions to solve within 6 hours. This exam contains a mixture of creative and multiple choice-based questions. Secondly, you need a score of 700 marks out of 1000 marks to pass the exam. You will receive your certification after clearing the exam. CISUP advantages. Validates your skills in the field. Improves your skills and knowledge in IT security. Increases your income. 5. LPT Licensed Penetration Test. This type of cybersecurity certification is a professional level certification. This is offered by the EC Council. Furthermore, you can receive this certification after learning all the cybersecurity methods. In conclusion, this is considered one of the best certifications for cybersecurity candidates. The job opportunities available with this certification are: Cybersecurity Engineer, Licensed Penetration Tester, Senior Security Consultant. Prerequisites. If you want to apply for this certification, you must fulfill the requirements needed. Firstly, you should have experience of at least 2 years as a penetration tester. Secondly, you should obtain an EC Council Security Analyst certification. Thirdly, you must also achieve the GATE Penetration Tester or Offensive Security Certified Professional certifications. Income. LPT certified professionals receive an average salary of $41,500 to $93,300. Exam. Firstly, you will have to demonstrate mainly your practical skills in this exam. Secondly, you will have to learn about penetration testing thoroughly. It includes penetration testing and procedures. Thirdly, and most importantly, you will gain scores as per your report. You will have to renew this certification every 2 years from the date of the exam. LPT advantages. Enhances your penetration testing skills. Offers respect within your company. Provides better career opportunities.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.